Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have an announcement. I will be making a different YouTube page that will have all of my cooking videos. So you'll still see some cooking videos on this channel, but majority of my videos will be on my new channel, Cooking with Chanel. So in the description box, just click that channel and subscribe to that one too if you're subscribed to this one. So let's get into this baked feta cheese pasta that is going viral on TikTok and Instagram. We're first going to add in 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and then we're going to add in some olive oil. We're going to do about 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're then going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and we're going to give this a nice, good mix. We're now going to add the feta in the middle. Now, I think because this video has gone viral, there aren't any feta blocks in the supermarket. I couldn't find any, so I found the crumble feta, which I feel like it literally tastes the same. So I'm going to use 8 ounces of that. So I'm using 2 packs of the crumble feta, and I'm going to place that in the middle. Sorry about my light going out, or I don't know what happened with my camera, but I didn't even realize that it changed the whole lighting. You're now going to place 2 teaspoons of basil, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to list all this in the description, but you're going to place that all into the pan, and then you're going to bake it at 425 for anywhere between 35 to 45 minutes. This is how it should look once you get it out the oven. Then you're just going to add whatever type of pasta you want to use. I decided to use bow tie noodles. And you're going to give this a really good mix. And this recipe is done. I just want to say that this is actually really, really good. I like feta cheese, but I'm not a crazy fan about it. And I definitely will be making this again because it was so delicious and so simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this viral TikTok feta pasta, I don't know what to call it, dish. And if you haven't done so already, like this video and subscribe. This is a new channel for me, you guys, so I do appreciate you guys just subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.